Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a $1 million dip. It's perfect for the upcoming football season. I believe you're going to love it. You'll start off with 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, a half of a cup of mayonnaise. Place that in there. Now grab your spatula and mush those two ingredients together. Then grab yourself your wire whisk and mix up those two ingredients until it's nice and smooth. Next, you'll add in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1/8 of a cup of green onions and 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Now give that a really good mix until well combined. The recipe does call to put crispy bacon inside of your dip, but I decided to put it on top. If you put it inside of your dip, it's just going to get all soggy and not taste good. But the bacon is the key ingredient for this dip. Definitely have you some crispy crumbled bacon on the side so that your friends or family can put some bacon on the top if they prefer to. Enjoy, y'all. Bye-bye now.